Hello everyone. We know the importance of studies, but still we are not able to study, and one of the primary reasons for this is distraction. Even when we are motivated and start studying, we are not able to achieve the results as expected. So in this video, we will see how you can avoid distractions while studying and study with your full potential. Number 1. Break big chapters into small ones. Our brain doesn't like to work hard, so it tries to avoid any task you give to your brain, and so a conflict starts between you and your brain for the task. You want to complete the task, but your brain is reluctant for this decision, and so what matters here is the task. If you decide to do a small task, it becomes easy to convince your brain to get the task done. So remember to break your big project into small parts. This will help you keep distractions away to a large extent. Number 2. Get organized. Having a plan keeps you motivated to complete your task you have planned because of the psychological reasons. Write your topics you want to study on a piece of paper, and when you complete it, put a tick in front of the task where you have written it. This will give you a dopamine rush and you will get a sense of satisfaction, and as a result you will be motivated to complete your other tasks, and thus a hook for tasks is created, and as a result you won't have any time left for distraction. Seems interesting, right? So don't forget to make a timetable for yourself. Number 3. Keep your phones away. Many students keep their phones beside them while studying, and this is the biggest source of distraction for students since the access to the phone becomes very easy. But if you keep your phone away from you, preferably in another room, this makes the access to the phone difficult when you are studying, and as a result the chances are very less that you will get attracted to your phone when you are studying. Number 4. Keep all the study materials with you before you start. It must have happened with you that you are studying with full concentration and you require a pen, a pencil, a book, or anything. And if you didn't have it beside you, you went to the place where it was kept. And in this process, when you wake up, you see many things like your phone. Maybe you feel like eating something, or you start chit-chatting with a family member, and thus breaks your flow of study. So make sure you have all the things with you before you start. Number 5. Find a suitable environment. Would you like to study in a place which is not organized well? Everywhere you see is trash, it has no ventilation, there is a stinky smell, and there is a lot of disturbance? No, right? You need a proper environment for studying, a silence environment, well organized and with proper ventilation. So make sure you choose a proper place for you when you sit for studying. So these were the tips that will help you avoid distractions while studying.